Hello there YouTube, Joel from Jonesy's here, and today we're going to give you a progress report on our 1970 Wagoneer build. We've got some rust repair done, got some holes filled in the firewall, got the chassis stripped. That video coming up next. So here's our chassis all stripped down. Got the engine pulled out, transmission, transfer case all removed, got the side fuel tank removed. Our plan moving forward here is we got it all degreased, and now we're going to send it out and have it sandblasted. So our suspension plan as it stands right now is to go ahead and remove the Dana 44 front that it has currently and swap it out with a Chevy style spring over front. Also, these older Wagoneer springs aren't doing so hot, so we're going to put in some new springs in the front and the back. Also, plan on installing a Blazer fuel tank in the rear section right here to eliminate where the side tank used to be on these Wagoneers. They have a filler neck that comes in from the side, and it's really notoriously bad. It's plastic, so we're going to eliminate the weak point on that filler neck and install a Blazer tank in the back here. Then also update these springs, get some new hangers, as well as go through and freshen up all the differential parts. So chassis stripped down, ready to go to the sandblaster. Coming over here to the body, we spent a lot of time working on this firewall. Getting all of the holes filled. Now we're going to be going with a vintage air unit for our AC and our heat, and this over the years has had a lot of stuff mounted, so we have filled a lot of the holes, smoothed out the dash so that it will actually look pretty good because it's going to get body color. Then also on the interior, we got our rust repair panel put in. So we got the rust taken care of, and then we also, you can see some body work right there on the dash. We're filling all of the mounting holes for the heat on that side, as well as for the vinyl dash pad. We're not gonna reinstall the vinyl dash pad. The Wagoneers themselves underneath the dash pad have a nice formed metal dash that looks really good when it's all painted up. So we've got all of those extra holes filled and smoothed out so we can body work and get the dash going. Now lastly, over here where all of our engines are at, you can see we've got the Buick 350 and the Turbo 400 sitting there with the Dana 20. So our plan for these items is to just go through each one of them, get them all cleaned up. The engine itself had an oil leak coming from the rear main, so we're going to get that guy all cleaned up. Get the Buick painted so that it looks pretty good, and then also get the Phytech fuel injection unit set up on it as well, as get our air conditioning brackets and everything like that. So now we're moving right along on our Wagoneer build. So make sure you guys please subscribe to the channel, post your comments, and thanks for watching.